Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about strategies for mitigating demand risk. Demand risk, often referred to as demand uncertainty, is a critical aspect of business and economics that revolves around the unpredictability of customer demand for products or services. It encapsulates the challenges businesses face in accurately forecasting and meeting the quantity and type of goods or services that customers will desire. Managing demand risk is fundamental for effective production planning, inventory management, and overall operational efficiency. Demand risk is influenced by a multitude of factors, making it a complex and dynamic element in business operations. One of the primary contributors to demand risk is consumer behavior. Consumers' preferences, purchasing power, and behavioral patterns can change rapidly due to various factors like shifts in trends, economic conditions, or the introduction of new technologies. For instance, a sudden preference for eco-friendly products can substantially alter demand patterns for conventional items. Market conditions are another critical factor influencing demand risk. Factors such as economic fluctuations, competitor strategies, changes in market regulations, and geopolitical events can significantly impact customer demand. During an economic downturn, for example, consumers tend to reduce spending, leading to decreased demand for non-essential goods and services. Conversely, during economic upswings, consumer confidence rises, and demand for various products and services surges. Seasonality is also a notable aspect of demand risk. Demand often fluctuates based on seasonal patterns, holidays, weather conditions, and cultural events. For example, demand for winter clothing peaks in the colder months, while demand for outdoor recreational products increases during the summer. Moreover, external events like natural disasters, political instability, or global pandemics can create substantial demand risk. These unforeseen circumstances can disrupt supply chains, change consumer behaviors, and lead to significant shifts in demand for certain goods or services. For instance, the COVID-19 pandemic significantly impacted demand patterns, with a surge in demand for health-related products and a decline in sectors like hospitality and tourism. The impact of demand risk on businesses is profound and multifaceted. Overestimating demand can result in excess inventory, leading to increased holding costs, potential obsolescence, and financial losses. On the other hand, underestimating demand can cause stockouts, resulting in lost sales, dissatisfied customers, and potential damage to the company's reputation. To effectively manage demand risk, businesses employ various strategies. These strategies include designing agile supply chains capable of rapid adjustments in response to demand fluctuations, collaborating closely with suppliers to ensure an efficient supply chain, optimizing inventory levels using advanced analytics and just-in-time strategies, and conducting scenario analyses to prepare for different demand scenarios. In conclusion, demand risk is an intrinsic and critical element in business operations. Businesses need to develop proactive strategies, leverage advanced technologies, and stay abreast of market dynamics to manage demand risk effectively. By doing so, they can not only enhance operational efficiency and customer satisfaction, but also navigate the challenges posed by an ever-changing market landscape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.